Welcome viewers to our new video. In this video we will talk about how you can promote your CPA offer on twitter.com. You know that Twitter is a social media like Facebook, and if you visit similar web, then you can see the global rank and the country rank of twitter.com. You can see there is huge amount of people use Twitter from United States, and UK is 5.51%. So how many visitors you can imagine, and the monthly visit is 6.80 billion. Global rank is 4. So now what will that we will use this website for promoting our CP offers. So for this reason we have to go on the trend of Twitter. I have also make a video about trend topics, how you can find trend topics on Google, on Twitter, on Pinterest. So I don't want to repeat that again. You have to go on Twitter, Google search and search for Twitter trends. Okay, after searching there will be the first URL you have to click. You can see the link at here. You can see this the link, twitter.com I trend. Okay, so this is the trend. Then click at this option, so it will show like this. Okay, you have to uncheck mark, tick mark it, and click on explore location. So today I have an offer related to the iPhone. I have the offer link, and the offer I have to promote on UK. So I have searched for United Kingdom. Okay, now click at here, then cut this. You can see the trending topics on. It is not working actually, we have to do it again. Select it here. Suppose I choose United States. Sometimes it will not work. Okay, so this is not fair. You have to fair about. You have to search for your offer country location and find the trend topic. So you can see that some trend topics like Apple Pencil is available. This offer is also related to our CP offer. Now I will find the article about Apple Pencil. You can see this is the, you have to go on the image section. Then there is some image of Apple Pencil. This image looks good and eye-catching. We will not click on right button and save as here. We have to visit the website. Then cut the previous website. Now we have to download the image. For the high quality reason, we have to visit the copy image address, then paste it here on the new window. Then we will download it, because for this reason we are going to the high quality image. If we download from Google, we will not get the high quality image. Now save this. Our half work is done. So you can see there is a text and a very big block related to this. Now we will make a similar website like this. Okay, for this reason we will I will unzoom it right like this. For we will make a website like this. We have to go on Google sites or site.google.com. Then click on blank option. Now what you can do that you can just copy the URL and click on the embed option and click on embed, then insert. So for the reason I will not use this, because if I use this, this not looks very effective, and it's this is the way for copying another people landing page and other thing. If you copy the landing page, then go on the developer option of here, click on here and then go on inspect, then delete their CPA offer link and copy the code, then paste it here. Okay, but the thing is, you have to do, we will delete all of this. At first in here they have give a title. We will copy the title, same title, and click on text box, then paste the title at here and give on the impact sorry feature and impact. You have to blank the text. Okay, so that's okay. Now select a content block. Okay, now upload the Apple image at here. You can also select from their own library of images. Click on Google Images, or we will upload. For this reason I will upload my own image, so I search for drag and drop it. You can see the image has been here, and so now click on here and search for a Apple pencil blog. So this is a simple way for it. Now what we have to do, that we will add some other text at here on the down. Click on add footer and copy this text. There is no problem for copying this text, you will not get any type of ban. Okay, now add another text. Okay, you have to use another text. For this reason we will go at here on the first option and click on text box again, then we will copy the text from here. Okay, just copy it, that's enough. Now we will cut this window because we don't need it again. So our offer is done, landing page offer is done. Now what we'll do, now I will download an iPhone 30 image, because our offer is related to iPhone 30. Okay, iPhone 30 Pro image. Now go on the image section, now download this image. For high quality reason you have to visit the website and then download the image. Now save this image onto your PC. Okay, the work has been done. Now on the section click on image and then click on upload. Now select the image. Okay, the image has been not downloaded. Click on copy image address if you face this problem. Control V it. Now to save this image. If then it doesn't work, we have to choose another image, or you can also select a image from here. go on here and search for iPhone 30 Pro. Okay, then it's okay. Search for images and choose an image. Suppose I choose this image and insert on the at here. Okay, that's enough. Or also you can do this. Okay, we will download this image is not possible. We will delete this image and click on here and click select image again. The formula is big, but it will work. Okay, iPhone 30. Now choose an image again. You have to choose a high quality image. Okay, then insert it here. Now the main thing we will do it here. Okay, now our website has been done. Now what we will do that we have to go on our text and copy the CPA link. You will get sweepstakes offer on any CPA network. You have to just choose any type of sweepstakes related offer because this type of offer got most lit on CPA networks. Now short the URL, copy the URL. That's done. Come back on here. Now click here for get a chance. Only UK. Okay. That's mean United Kingdom. Only United Kingdom related people can get a chance. Okay, now block the full text by Control A, then click on this insert option. Now add the CPA link at here. Okay, now we have done. Now click on bold and normal text to subheading. And what we will do that we can also do another things and give the color. We will give it to blue. Okay, that's okay. Blue is actually oriented color for this. Now I will choose this to black and bold it again. Okay, now it looks perfect. So our work has been done. We will publish it and search for Apple Pencil. Don't use your offer title at here. Okay, now publish it here. Unsupported image type. I think there is a problem with the image at here. I don't know why. Okay, if you use another image then you will not face this problem. Okay, I don't know why it is not going. So we can visit the website on preview section. You can see the website is looking like this and this looks great. Okay, suppose this is the website link and now we have to go on the Twitter home page. Now here we will now use a hash at here. Now A double P L E P E N. I think the pencil has got a Apple Pencil. Actually, I don't know the correct. Okay, the hashtag has been done. Now we will give a simple message at here. Okay. Now we will use this link. Control C, Control A, C. Then back on Cutley again. Then short the URL. Copy the URL and paste it at here. Okay, our full work is done. Now click on tweet. Okay, you can see our post has been published on the trending topics. So this was the video about, and you can also use an image at here. Okay, for this reason you have to go on the three dot and edit the thing again, or delete it and make it on again. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel. We work very hard to make videos. So thank you for watching the video. Welcome, and subscribe the video.